father feeds his children from a spoon.
So, what kind of birds are these?
Parakeet, Jamaican parakeet.
Jamaican parakeets. And what are you feeding them with?
So it's poultry feed, fine one, but me beat it to the hammer and refine it.
Oh, I mix it with water?
Yeah, not just water, warm water.
Warm water. Why warm water?
Because the feed, my mother feed them with warm.
Oh.
You give them warm water.
Oh, because the mother normally vomit and feed them from out of her stomach, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so because her body temperature right, it would be warm. Wow, interested. So you rescue these birds and you're feeding them.
Right.
Alright, sir. Yeah, man, respect our manners, man. Boy, me I tell you, nature is a wonderful thing. Look how they're drinking from the spoon like you're their father. You know, like you feed them porridge, you know?
Drink them porridge in the morning,
Yeah, man, they might drink them porridge. And the back feed is made from cornmeal too, you know, so who might tell I can't cornmeal porridge.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, so you warm me water, my brother, crush the feed. For real. Blessed love, man. Thanks for sharing, man. Yeah, man. How are you, man? WildLife is my life and our life.